Hey guys, what's up? This is Santabi and I am from HT Design. And today I am going to launch my brand new series of Illustrator tutorials from basics to the advanced level. So even if you have never touched Illustrator before, this is the right place for you. So without wasting time, let's move on. Hey guys, now we are into Illustrator. And as I told you that we are going to start from scratch, okay, so that the fresher can also learn from this. So today our topic is Workspaces and Panels. The understanding of interface is very important when you are using any designing software or any other software. Okay, so maybe if you are familiar with any Adobe software like Photoshop or InDesign, you will see that this software Adobe Illustrator is also a bit similar to that. Okay, you can see here we have a toolbar, this part. Here you can see we have some menus, and these are called panels, which is now collapsed, but we'll open it. We can open it when you click, it can open. Okay, but there's nothing right now because we do not have anything here in the software. So the very first thing I would like to tell you is that to design things in Illustrator, you must need an artboard, a document. Okay, you have to create a document, and there you will have an artboard on which you will draw things. Okay, so I'm just telling you right now that how you can create a new document. So to create a new document, you can go to the file and click on new. Okay, or the shortcut is Control N. Okay, you can press Control N and you will have a new document here. Now in later lectures I will tell you what all these things are, okay, and what you can do with it. But for now we are going to use these presets. Okay, and I'm going to use the preset, this one, A4. Just click here and create. So now you have A4 size paper here on which you can do design. You can paint here, you can draw, you can do anything. You can create logos, brochures, whatever you want to do. So for now I'm just deleting all these things, and our main concern today is to understand the user interface of Illustrator. Okay, because I'm assuming that you are completely fresher and opening the Illustrator for the first time. So guys, see, this document is what we created just now. If you want to create more, you can go here and you can click here again. Okay, and you can name it. For example, this is lecture 1, and you just create and you have it. So now we have two different documents, and you can make two different designs on both and save it separately. Okay, let's close this one, and I have this. So the first thing I would like to tell you is about the workspace. Now workspace is actually made up of all these things: panels, okay, menu bars, toolbar, and when I created this document, you'll see that we have one more bar here. This is called control panel. Okay, we'll have all the controls from here, whatever we'll create from this particular tool. Whatever tool you activate and you use it here, you can change from here, you can control that from here. Okay, you can see here this essentials. Right now this essential is activated. This is actually your workspace presets. For example, if I click on painting, then I will get all the painting panels available here. I do not have to go and search for each and every panel for painting. So you go here, and if you want to trace something, you will have tools accordingly here activated. Typography, you will have all the text related stuff here activated. See, okay, paragraph and characters and text, colors, swatches. We are going to see all these things, everything one by one, okay, and all different lectures. So here now you can reset if you have changed anything here, or you can create your new workspace. You can name like my workspace or whatever project wise. If you want, you can do that. All right, so let me go to essentials again, and I have these things here. Now sometimes what happens that when I'm working here, I want things very comfortable. Like how I work is, for example, if I use these two tools a lot, align and then stroke, color, these are my favorite ones which I always use. So what I do when I'm working, I click here and drag it out. Okay, I drag it out here. So now when you click, you have this. Okay, and you can use it and then close it, put it here. Okay, I can take color here like this, and then I can have, let's say, this transform, which I always use. Okay, so you can make your own setup here. Once this is done, if you want this to set here again, then you can do that like this. Sorry, like this. Okay, when you click, you can see this blue bar activated. You go there and you just put it here. See, this is now back. You can click here also, that's not a problem. See, these all are activated. You click here and it is activated. But sometimes when I zoom in, zoom out, I'm very close to particular thing, I cannot go again here. So I have everything here to change the things very quickly. Okay, and these are not like everything. If you want, if there is something which is missing, which you don't find, you can go here. This is like your master preset, I would say. Okay, master window, where you will find all the panels, A to Z, everything. Okay, the panels which you can see here, all are available here. If you want this transparency or transform from here, you can click and see it is showing here. Sometimes if you don't find here, you can activate from there. Okay, in the window. Even here you can see your tools. Okay, you can create your new tool. You can click and the tool panel is gone. Sometimes maybe possible if you open your Illustrator, you won't find here your toolbar, so you can just go here, go to the toolbar and click on default, and you have it. You can click on this bar, so it will collapse also, like these things are collapsed right now. Okay, you can see your toolbar is collapsed, and if you open this, you will have all these separated. Okay, with this bar here, there is a meaning like all these have a different groups. Here to create shapes, you can use this. For selections, you have this. Okay, you will understand later when we learn all these tools. We are going to learn all these tools one by one, everything. All right, so this is like everything. When you see this thing, this is called your workspace. You can save your own workspace, and you just go here and create new workspace, name it. You will have your own workspace, and these are called panels. All right, so this is enough for today. Just install Illustrator. Okay, open it and just get the hands on it. Okay, try to create new document like this. Okay, just name it, create A4 size, and just have a look at it, that how is created, what are these things. Just feel free to do anything here. So guys, this is enough for this video, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and comments. Thank you.